Hello, good day everyone. I'm Merkaman J. Spera from BTLX1B, here to present the Ken of the topic in mathematics in the modern world. Ken is a math logic game. It is based on math problems in cages within a grid. People around the world challenge their friends and families to compete the math quotient. As an arithmetic logic puzzle invented by 2004 by Japanese math teacher Tetsuya Miyamoto, who intended the puzzle to be an instruction-free method of training the brain. So now we have to show you how to solve it. For example, so ngayon, ang unang step is lalagay natin yung 3 kasi free na yon. Tsaka natin lagay yung 5 plus 2 is 2, 3. Tapos 3 plus 1 is gagawin natin 1 and 2. Tapos 3 plus din is 1 and 2. Then 4 plus is gagawin natin 3 and 1.